Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is open up our film, and this is our Ultra Max Kodak 400 film, 24 exposure. So the way you open this is this right here. Pull that up, and you just pop that top right there. All I did was pull that up and pop that top, and this popped right open. And then we take the roll of film. You've got this pulled up. You stick that in there, and you pull it through, and there's little sprockets right there. And all you do is, whoops, get it there, stick it in the sprockets, take a click. Okay, there we go. Okay, now that's in there. I'm going to take another one. I don't mind wasting a frame. Okay, so it's wrapped around there. It's good to go now. So now it's good. It's in there. So you see this is all exposed now, so I have to go right here is not exposed, this is exposed. So I'm going to take about 2 more shots and advance it, and then we'll be ready to go. So you close that, it's good to go. There's a shot. We advance, and as you advance you'll see right here it gives you 2 frames and then it hits 0. So we're going to take another one. We've got, okay, and boom. Now we should be good to go. We are on 0. Okay, now right here you've got your ASA, which is the same as ISO, and you know we put 400 film in there. To adjust this, you have to lift up, and that will turn. And this goes all the way down to 20 ASA film. But we've got 400, so we'll pass up 100, pass up 200, now we're at 400, and it's locked in there at 400. Now I have I can adjust my shutter speed by simply turning the dial. It goes all the way down to bulb, but there's 1 second, half a second, quarter second. Now we're at 1/8, 1/15, 1/30, 1/60th of a second also has an X. That's where you also would use your flash. See an X there on the hot shoe. 1/60th of a second is that there's an X there, so you'd also likely use your flash at 1/60th of a second. And then we can go to 1/25th. Now I'm going to be outside shooting, so my guess is I'm going to be up here at 2/50th or 500th, but you can go up to 1,000th of a second. So we are ready to go. That's your aperture ring down here. We're going from 2, 2.8 to 4, 5.6. There's a stop in between each of these as well. There's 8, a stop, 11, a stop, 16, another, and then to 22. Your best, sharpest area in your lens, your aperture, is usually going to be between 11 and 5.6. If you want a lot of bokeh, meaning a blurred background, you'll go to 2, 2.8. If you're doing portraits and things like that, it makes it real soft. But in general, landscape shots and just out, if you're out with a family or just shooting or you're at the zoo or just any number of things, casual photos, you'll want to be at 5.6 to 8. It'll give you a nice background, sharp background as well. So we're going to take this bad boy out and we're going to see how long it takes to whip off 24 shots and see what we come back with.